Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
I'm Shelby.
And we are opening day 19 of our fashion jewelry advent calendar.
Yay!
So you can see we're getting really, look at all these. These are so much fun.
They're very pretty.
These are very pretty. Like I said, I'm
Forgot what we settled on.
Yeah, I've kind of slept since then, huh? But, oh, there we go. That one goes like that. That's all right. We'll duke it out when the time comes. $19. Can you believe it's this close to Christmas?
No. I broke it, did it? Oh. It's a purse.
It's a purse. Oh, look at that.
Put that with the ballerina.
The ballerina.
Some of these definitely have to be together. Doesn't make sense otherwise.
Look cute. And I think you even said the crown.
Mm-hmm. These are pink. And this one could go with it if we wanted to.
I think you also said you wanted the heart one.
Mm-hmm. I don't remember what we all settled on, really.
I think I said I liked the Santa Claus, and you said he needed the scooter.
And his reindeer. And I think that's another red thing there.
Yeah.
And the Christmas tree.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. Well, we're rocking through.
There's a lot of pink for a Christmas piece of jewelry.
Well, and maybe it's so that you use the Christmas ones at Christmas time, and you can change out your charms and have an everyday bracelet.
That's true.
Yeah.
Anyway,
let's see. And I'm going to want this one and this one.
Okay, let's make sure we have an even amount.
You can have that one and that one. Oh, you want the butterfly too. Yeah, it's pretty even. Yep.
Next one we get to decide where this one goes. We need a separate jar.
We did what?
We need a separate jar.
Yeah, we do. Well, that way we can the joy of picking them out each time that we look at them.
There's so much work.
Oh, go get that wind-up toy. Let's show everybody the wind-up toy. That's so cute. I love wind-up toys, especially the ones when they're vintage looking or they are vintage. All right, wind it up. I still think the chicken is my favorite. Yep. And that's how I'm going to wake them up in the mornings from now on. Well, we hope you've enjoyed Day 19 Fashion Jewelry Advent Calendar and a clattering, banging drum Santa. Please consider subscribing, liking, making a comment. What's your favorite charm that we've pulled out so far? You can find us on Facebook under Crazy Dave's Crew if you like sewing and crocheting for beginners. You also can find DIY Dave and Company. And also a cdcrew.com. Be sure to check out our Amazon store while you're at it. Anything you want to say?
No.
No?
No.
No?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.